Welcome to the Humble Hamlin. Today, we're talking about a topic that could transform your life in ways you might not expect. Imagine feeling more energized, healthier, and mentally at peace, all starting from something as simple as nourishing your gut and making a few easy lifestyle changes. Our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, what we call the gut microbiome. Research has shown that our gut health plays a huge role in not just digestion, but in our mood, immune system, and even our energy levels. And when we talk about nourishing the gut, we're talking about making intentional choices that feed those beneficial bacteria in ways that help us feel our best. But what if you could grow some of these powerful ingredients yourself, right at home, even in a small space? That's where vertical gardening comes in. Vertical gardens are perfect for people who don't have much room, but still want the joy and the benefits of growing their own food. With just a few simple tools, you can grow things like basil, spinach, tomatoes, and more, all within reach and without taking up much space. Vertical gardening isn't just about convenience. Think about this. Every herb or leafy green you grow at home means one less thing you have to buy. Over time, the savings add up. Not only are you getting the freshest ingredients, but you're also investing in a healthier, more affordable way to eat. There's something incredibly grounding about taking care of plants. Studies show that gardening can reduce stress, increase feelings of calm, and even boost self-esteem. When you grow your own food, you're not only nourishing your body, but also giving your mind a chance to unwind and reconnect. Let's talk about the benefits of gut-friendly foods you can grow yourself. Fresh herbs like basil and mint, leafy greens, tomatoes, they're all rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients support a healthy gut microbiome, which is directly connected to your mental health. They help regulate hormones, manage inflammation, and keep the digestive system running smoothly. Our gut and brain are deeply connected through what's known as the gut-brain axis. When we nourish our gut with foods that support good bacteria, we're also nurturing our mental health. In fact, many people find that a gut-focused diet helps them feel more balanced and positive. Imagine having the ability to create meals from ingredients you grew, knowing that each meal is helping your body and mind. And you don't need a large yard or fancy equipment, just a little space, a bit of sunlight, and the desire to grow something good for yourself and your family. And financially, vertical gardening is incredibly cost-effective. Each herb or vegetable you grow is one less thing to buy. Think of how much you could save by having fresh basil, parsley, spinach, or tomatoes at your fingertips. Over time, these savings contribute to a more sustainable way of living, supporting both your health and your wallet. So, even if you're just starting with a few herbs in a small space, you're making a meaningful investment in your health and wellness. Here on the Humble Hamlin, we're all about helping you take simple steps toward a healthier, more balanced life. Remember, you don't need a big garden or expensive equipment, just a willingness to start. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more insights into gut health, mental wellness, and lifestyle tips. Until next time, remember, every small change counts.